In this example, I'm going to show you how to use the kaleidoscope tool. First thing you're going to need is a couple of shapes, and I'm downloading a pattern right now. I'm going to choose a triangle and a circle. Now, these shapes are going to be used for the wedges on the kaleidoscope. I'm going to use the clip, there it is. I'm going to use the clipboard, put them on the clipboard, then drag them back as a tile. Won't be needing these shapes. Click this button here and drag this back, and it's become one shape. Next thing I'm going to need is a piece of that pattern, so I'm going to click my image tool and my crop tool. I'm going to try to make it the same size as the wedge shape down here that I made, and that looks just about right. That's my parrot in the background. Okay, click the K. Now bring the pattern and drag it and drop it on any green ball. And there it goes, it makes the kaleidoscope shape. Now these balls here are to move what you put on the scope. I'm holding the control key down. If I click these ones out here, it moves the mask. Now the mask covers the shape. You can't see the mask because it's applied, but if I click this button here to show it and then click the check mark, you'll see where it's at exactly, and you can move the mask. Now the normal masks are just triangles. If I click that, we have no masks at all, and you can see only the pattern. Remember, I'm holding the control key. Click it again and click the check mark. Oops, click the check mark, and there you'll see the mask is applied. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to turn that mask from a triangle into our special wedge shape. So we're going to pull the ball that controls the masks, the squares which control the mask. And I'm going to make it so the masks are visible. It won't do this unless you make the masks visible. Drop that onto the square and it puts it in place. And you'll see now we have our special wedge shape. And it does the same thing as the other ones. And let's see what it looks like if we apply it. There we go. Now this can make some really interesting designs. Okay, so enough of this. You can also rotate things by using the center. Let's see, drag this ball here. Now if I don't hold the control key down, it'll move everything together. Now if I hold the control key down, let's choose to circulate the pattern. Oops, that's not circulating. That moves it in and out. Let's make it so we can see. Okay. That, I'm holding the control key and I'm circulating the mask. Now I've clicked the pattern ball and I'm going to hold the control key and you'll see that turns only the pattern. Okay, and with no key down it turns both. Alright, go back here, apply the mask. No keys are down. It's rotating both the pattern and the mask together. Okay, so how do we use this shape? First of all, you can select it, and it can be used on just about anything after you put it in the clipboard. So let's click the clipboard tool, select the shape, and then click the check mark, and there it goes onto the clipboard. Now with the tile button in the clipboard tool checked, it has to be green. Let's move this out of the way. We can drag it back to the canvas and it becomes one shape. It's important to have that tile button on when you drag it back. Let's use it in the clip tool first. I held down the shift key and picked up the kaleidoscope, and you can see I can just put it anywhere I want. This is great for making tile patterns. You can also use this in the other tools like the color grid tool, and you can use it in the seed bead tool. And you can use it also in the cookie cutter tool. This would be great for making things like those little snowflakes you see, or that you can cut out of paper. I think I'll do a seed bead example next. Anyway, visit pearlygates.net if you like this tool, and be sure to subscribe. That helps us make more great things for you to play with. And remember, you can also sell crafty items on the board, so check it out at pearlygates.net. That's pearlygates.net. Thanks a lot. Bye.